Chick-fil-A, you just did something. Hey y'all, you already know the vibes. Your girl's back again with another video. Y'all, my man went to Chick-fil-A this morning and texted me they have chicken and waffles. Let's get into it. I got this spicy chicken. It comes with bacon and a syrup on the side. I'm excited for this. Are you guys excited? It's pretty good. It's so funny because when I was on my way, my man was eating his and he made a video. I'm gonna put it in the end, you guys. We're gonna see his mukbang. Oh, I have ketchup. I've been saving my sauces. I've never been a save sauce type of person, and it's coming through for me. Give me any hash browns, y'all. I mean, he didn't give me ketchup. He gave me hash browns, no ketchup. He gave me a drink. Probably water. This is honestly pretty good for Chick-fil-A breakfast. I mean, chicken and waffle, Chick-fil-A, it made sense. It took a little long, but it made sense. Mind you, for breakfast, I started making an onion boil, and my man texted me, so we about to eat good today, y'all. Also, I got the spicy one, but it's honestly not really spicy at all. It's adding like the slightest kick. Well, good morning everybody. Love you guys.
Yo, you already know the vibes. Welcome back with another video. And today we got the chicken, bacon, and waffles from Chick-fil-A. Look at this. Come on now. Ready?